Hello everyone, today I have made this video for both beginners and also for those who have already learned basic AutoCAD and want to develop their skills in AutoCAD. So in this video I am going to show different ways to calculate or to get the area from our AutoCAD objects. So for area, you know it's AREA is the command, or you can simply type A space or enter. Then your cursor is changed. You can select the points for the regions you want to get the area. So this is 1 by 1 square. You just select 4 points and enter. Then you will get in this cursor area equals to 1 and perimeter 4 for whichever you use the unit, meter, centimeter, feet, etc. You can also get this in this command bar, and you can check for another also AREA area for this 2 by 2 square. You select 4 parts and enter. So this is the way from point selection method. And for another method, you will type AA or area, enter, and you can see here options: object, add, subtract. First of all, we will select by object. So after AA space, we just type O space, and the closed polygon we have to select. The area is given. Again for the another AA space, O space, the object, closed object, and the area is shown here. So for every object closed polyline, we can do area space O space and select the closed object. You can get the area easily. But this area with the object selection is not possible in lines which are made up of lines. Even it is closed rectangle, but AREA area object selection doesn't work in this line. So you have to make polyline closed figure to get area. Object, select, then you get the area. And if you want this sum of all polygons, you can do AREA space and you see add, again A, enter, and O enter. Now you can select every polygons which area would be added and shown the result here. See, and if you finish, you just press enter. So your final area, sum of area, is given here in the command bar. And another way is you can see in properties, select the closed polygon and go to the properties. This property bar you can get from view and properties palette. So whenever you select this closed polygon and see these properties, you scroll down and you will get area is given here, and length, which you can say perimeter, is given here. It is easy way. Now you can do escape, select another one, go to this property, area is also given and the perimeter is also given here. For circle also, area and circumference area is given here. So this is how you get for individual polygons area. For now, if you have lot of sections like this, you want to get the area, you have one this type of way, AREA area, and click every corners of the line of which area you want to calculate or get. And while finishing, you just press enter and you get the area and perimeter. But this process takes long, so there is another way to get area. So the process is creating boundary. For boundary you have to type, the command is BO, enter, and you see island detection, polyline, current view, new. You keep this in this setting and select new. So select this all, how many you have, select, enter, and you just click OK. Now click the regions inside which you want to get area, like this, and while finishing you press enter. So you get polygons of the area you want to get the area. Since it was blocked by this line, only this part is shown. You can repeat the same process, BO, new, and select whole thing and enter and OK, and this part also enter. So due to this line you have two regions for the area. Now you can do AA, enter, O, enter, select. So the area is shown in this command bar, above command bar, area. So for this you have to select two regions. So AA, enter, that is for area, and for add we will again do A, enter, and for object selection we have to do O, enter. So you have to select two part and enter. Now you get the sum of these two regions at once from this area. So this is how you make region and calculate area. Thank you for watching the video.